Winter in Spain, festive traditions, snowy peaks, and unexpected warmth. Don't let shorter days and cooler temperatures fool you. Winter in Spain is full of surprises. While the beaches might be quieter, the cities sparkle with festive cheer. Snow-capped mountains beckon adventurers, and southern Spain offers a cozy escape from those harsher northern winters. Let's dive into the unique delights of a Spanish winter and discover why it might just be your new favorite time to visit. Sierra Nevada, where winter sports thrive. Dreaming of hitting the slopes? Look no further than the Sierra Nevada mountains in southern Spain. With its sunny skies, ample snowfall, and surprisingly long season, Sierra Nevada offers world-class skiing and snowboarding conditions. Whether you're a seasoned pro carving down black diamond runs, or a first-timer finding your feet on the bunny slopes, there's a perfect run for you. After a day on the mountain, warm up in a cozy lodge with a hot chocolate or a glass of Spanish wine, and soak in the views of the snowy peaks. Indulge in the après-ski scene, where lively bars and restaurants offer a festive atmosphere to end your day in high spirits. Festive celebrations in the cities. Winter in Spain is a time for joyous celebrations that bring warmth to the season. Witness the dazzling Christmas markets that fill the squares of cities like Barcelona and Madrid. Browse handcrafted gifts, savor festive treats like churros dipped in thick hot chocolate, and soak in the twinkling lights and merry atmosphere that fill the winter streets. New Year's Eve in Spain is an unforgettable experience. Join the countdown in Madrid's Puerta del Sol, a tradition where revelers eat 12 grapes, one for each clock strike at midnight, for good luck in the year ahead. The square fills with laughter and energy, a testament to the Spanish spirit of celebration. Let yourself be swept up in this infectious joy. And then comes the festive highlight that's uniquely Spanish, Three Kings Day on January 6th. Witness vibrant parades with elaborate floats as Melchior, Gaspar, and Balthazar journey through the streets showering children with sweets. It's a magical night that captures the heart of Spanish winter traditions and brings out the inner child in everyone. Escape to the Canary Islands, your winter sun retreat. If snow isn't your idea of a good time, trade the mountains for the beaches of the Canary Islands. This Spanish archipelago off the coast of Africa boasts mild temperatures year-round. Swap ski jackets for swimsuits and soak up the winter sun on these volcanic islands. Explore lush botanical gardens brimming with exotic flora. Hike through stunning landscapes ranging from deserts to pine forests, or simply relax on a black sand beach, a starkly beautiful contrast to the turquoise waters. The Canary Islands offer a rejuvenating winter escape, where you can recharge your batteries and soak in the warmth of the Spanish sun, even in the heart of winter. Winter delights, warmth for the soul. Spanish cuisine offers a welcome dose of comfort in the cooler months. Indulge in hearty stews and rich, warming dishes showcasing seasonal ingredients. Sample traditional Christmas sweets like Turon, a delicious nougat confection, and marzipan, a sweet almond pasta shaped into intricate figures that make the perfect edible souvenirs. Winter is also a time to enjoy a mug of thick and creamy Spanish hot chocolate, a delightful way to warm up on a chilly day. Winter in Spain, a unique adventure. Whether you're seeking snowy adventures, festive celebrations, or a warm winter getaway, Spain delivers an experience that goes beyond your expectations. It's a chance to discover a different side of this vibrant country, filled with warmth, traditions, and the promise of unforgettable memories. Winter travel tips. Embrace the layers. Even in southern Spain, evenings can be chilly. Pack sweaters, scarves, and a warm jacket for maximum comfort. Book ahead for peak periods. Christmas, New Year's, and Three Kings Day draw crowds. Secure accommodations and festival tickets early for the best options. Seek out winter sun. The Canary Islands and the southern coast of Spain, Costa del Sol, offer the warmest winter weather for those seeking sunshine. Experience local celebrations. Smaller towns often host unique winter festivals. Research local calendars for authentic experiences away from the crowds. Take advantage of shoulder season rates. If snow sports aren't your focus, travel just before or after the holidays for lower prices while enjoying the festive atmosphere. Little known fact: many Spanish shops and smaller museums close for a few hours midday, even in winter. Plan your sightseeing around this traditional siesta time. Did you love exploring Spain with us? Smash that like button, subscribe for more amazing travel content, and let us know what you want to see next in the comments.